The pioneer species that in a hydriac succession are photoplanktons. The species that come to appear in bare area called pioneer species. All successions, irrespective of the habitat process to which type of clinax community mesis frugivorous bird are found in large number in tropical forest mainly because of available fruits throughout the year. Carbon, carbon dissolved in oceans 71%. Annual fixation of carbon through photosynthesis 4 into 10 power 3 kg. PAR captured by plants 2 to 10%. Productivity of oceans 5 billion tons. The amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis is called primary production. Vertical distribution of different species occupying different levels called as stratification. Identification and enumeration of planets and animals species of an ecosystem gives its species composition. Which one of the following odd one from others? Decomposition, energy flow, nutrients, none. The autotrophic components include marginal plants. The decomposers are the bacteria. The consumers is large zooplankton. Constant input of solar energy is the basis requirement for any ecosystem to function and sustain. Primary production is defined as the amount of biomass or organic matter produced per unit area over a time period by plants during photosynthesis. Primary production is expressed as K cal per meter square G per meter square. Gross primary productivity of an ecosystem is in the rate of production of organic matter during photosynthesis. NET, net primary productivity, NPP equal to GPP minus R is equal to NPP. The rate of formation of new organic matter by consumers is called as secondary productivity. Primary productivity depends on variety of environment factors available of nutrients, photosynthesis capacity of plant. The annual net primary productivity of the whole biosphere is approximately 170 billion tons. Earthworm is called as farmer's friend. Decomposition breaks down complex organic matter into inorganic substances like CO2, water, etc. The process of breaks down complex organic matter into inorganic substances is called as decomposition. Detritus are dead plants, dead animals, fecal matters. The correct way of decomposition is 1. fragmentation, leaching, catabolism, humidification, mineralization. Earthworms detritivores or break down detritus into smaller particles. Bacteria and fungal enzymes decade detritus into simpler inorganic substances. This process is called as fragmentation. Humidification leads to accumulation of dark colored amorphous substances called humus. Decomposition rate is slower if petrates rich in lignin and chitin. Warm and moist environment favors decomposition. PAR stands for photosynthetically active radiation. Plant capture only 2% to 10% of the PAR, and this amount of energy sustains the entire living world. The green plant in the ecosystem are called producer. Producers in an aquatic ecosystem, phytoplankton and producers. Generally, primary consumers will be herbivores. In ecosystem, GFC stands for grazing food chain. In composers are also known as saprotrophs. Based on the source of their nutrients or food, organisms occupy a specific place in the food chain that is known as their niche. Carnivores, wolf. Top carnivores, lion. Herbivores, cow. Plants, photoplanktons. Each trophic level has a certain mass of living material at a particular time called as the standing crop. The standing crop is measured as the mass of living organisms, biomass, the number in unit area. The correct sequence is producer, herbivores, primary, carnivore, secondary, carnivore. Ecological pyramids are pyramid of number, pyramid of energy, pyramid of biomass. The pyramid of biomass in C is generally inverted.